Hi everyone, so in today's episode we'll learn how to drape a dhoti style sari like this. I styled my mom like this for a winter wedding that she had to attend. This is something that I have discovered and is not the traditional style of Nauvari sari draping. So come, let's begin. Since it's winter, she started by wearing the boots, leggings and a woolen top. We are using an ajrak sari from the brand Dilbaru. We'll keep the right side around this much longer. As you can see here, I kept the right side longer and then I wrapped the sari around the waist, as you will be able to see just now. We are using this sari which is in modal silk, and after wrapping it around the waist you have to tie 2 knots. Make sure it's tight and secured because everything has to be tucked in the sari itself, and we don't use a petticoat in this style. So make sure the knots are tied well, and once the knots are done we'll take the left side and we'll take it behind like this. And then depending on your waist size you might have to make 3 to 6 pleats. For my mom I think I made 4 pleats, and once the pleats are done you tuck it at the back. This you can do yourself also. Just because I am doing it here for her doesn't mean it's difficult. Then you grab the loose hanging end and bring it in the front. So here I'm showing you that how you can do it yourself also. Like you take it behind and then you hold it like this and you make the pleats very easily. You can bring it in the front and make the pleats like this. You don't have to like do it without seeing. And once the pleats are done you take it at the back and then you tuck it in. And like I had shown you for my mom, you have to hold the loose hanging end and bring it in the front, and then you have to start making pleats again. So this sari, as you can see, has already the fall attached to it. So you can use a sari which has the fall attached, which that is not a problem. The fall won't be visible. It can be hidden like I just showed. So once you bring it in the front like this, you have to make 2 to 3 pleats and really pull it up so that it doesn't gather a lot around the ankles, and then tuck it in like this. So once that is done, we'll take the right side and we'll start making pleats across the breadth of it. Yeah, so the pleats are done, and then we'll again take it at the back. The entire length has to be brought up and the pallu is made like this, and there's a loose hanging part which you can tuck it at the back like this. So yeah, you can spend some time to make the pallu neater. That's up to you how well you can make the pleats. I've accessorized it with a silver belt and an oxidized necklace. And since it's winter, I've given a coat also to my mom. And this is how the final look turned out. Everybody loved it in the party and I think she looked pretty cool. So if you also liked it, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Life with Bows for more such interesting draping ideas.